Your life is about to change in exactly 21 days. Only if you understand the psychological truth that 97% of people ignore. Most people fail at life changes because they approach transformation incorrectly. They think of transformation like fixing a broken car. Research shows your brain works more like rewiring an entire electrical system. Your brain fights against every single change you try to make. Neuroscience reveals the difference between successful transformers and those who stay stuck. The key isn't motivation or willpower. It's understanding that your brain is programmed to keep you where you are. There's a specific sequence of steps that bypasses mental resistance. Studies show transformation happens in predictable waves. Day 5, day 12, and day 18 are critical quitting points. These are known as neurological rebellion points. Your brain fights against new patterns during these times. People who break through these barriers use a method most self-help content ignores. This is why some reinvent themselves in 21 days while others struggle for years. The 21-day transformation system is built on identity momentum. It focuses on becoming a different type of person. Days 1 through 7 emphasize environmental disruption. You will change your physical surroundings and daily routines. This creates cognitive flexibility in your brain. Your morning routine becomes a 20-minute identity rehearsal. Spend 5 minutes visualizing the person you're becoming. Dedicate 10 minutes to physical movement that matches your new identity. Use 5 minutes to consume content that reinforces your transformation mindset. Your evening routine shifts to a 15-minute day completion ritual. Review 3 wins from the day during this ritual. Identify 1 lesson learned and set tomorrow's primary focus. This creates positive memory consolidation. Successful transformation works in reverse. Change your identity first. Week 2 introduces social proof amplification. Make decisions based on who you're becoming. People around you will notice your changing energy and confidence. Days 8 through 10 focus on decision architecture. Audit every recurring choice in your life. Ask, would the person I'm becoming make this choice? Days 11 through 14 introduce challenge escalation. Put yourself in situations that require you to act like your new self. Research shows day 12 is when most people want to quit. This happens because your old identity feels threatened. Those who push through day 12 experience a breakthrough on day 13. Week 3 is about identity integration. New patterns become unconscious during this week. Others will respond to you differently as you carry yourself differently. Days 15 through 17 focus on systems optimization. Refine the routines and habits that serve your new identity. Days 18 through 21 emphasize future self-alignment. Make choices based on who you want to be in the future. This creates temporal motivation to pull you forward. Many people wait for the perfect moment to start. Transformation happens fastest when you're already in motion. Those who start immediately see the most dramatic results. Research shows immediate starters are 340% more likely to follow through. Your brain is most receptive to change right now. Every day you wait strengthens your current patterns. Consumption without action reinforces an identity of inaction. The difference lies in the willingness to start before feeling ready. Day 21 marks the beginning of sustained identity momentum. Transformation becomes easier as you prove change is possible. Month 2 and 3 happen almost automatically. This system is designed around your brain's actual change mechanisms. It works even when you don't feel motivated or inspired. The patterns of successful transformers are consistent across backgrounds. These 21 days will determine your transformation outcome. The only variable is whether you start today or wait. Your future self is counting on your decision right now.